Hi all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is about no contact situation and will they return to you. After no contact situation, will they return to you? There are three choices. This is crystal quartz pyramid. This is basically a yantram also. This is a Vastu yantram. So this is crystal quartz pyramid or Vastu pyramid. This is rose quartz pyramid, and this is evil eye pyramid. So this is Vastu pyramid, this is rose quartz pyramid, and this is evil eye pyramid. There are three choices for no contact situation and will he or she return to you. Those who are new to my channel, thanks for subscribing my channel. For your confirmation, for your information, I am a psychic medium. I do tarot card reading intuitively. That means whenever I do tarot card reading, I do it through the spirit guidance. I have done my bachelor's from University of Edinburgh, Scotland, on divine spirituality, same subject, divine spirituality, on spirituality itself. I have done my Reiki healing. I'm a Reiki healer and Reiki master, Oshishui Shehiki Rohoyo, and Karuna Reiki master from ULC Chicago. I have done my Kabbalah. I'm an Kabbalah expert, and I have done my Kabbalah from Jerusalem. I learned from Jerusalem. I was there for 2 years, and I have learned. Tarot reading from Academy of Tarot India, level 1, level 2 and level 3. I have passed level 1, level 2, level 3 with A plus grade. So I am practicing tarot since last 8 years and practicing healing since last 14 years. Reiki and Qigong, Theta, white light healing, and Kabbalah healing. So there are three choices now. This is basically a pyramid, Vastu pyramid. This is rose quartz, and this is third eye pyramid. Those who are looking for past life regression therapy or past life, to know what happened in past life, you can go for vision reading. Those who are looking for black magic things, like when did black magic happen, where happened, and how these things happen, they must go for horary chart analysis. Horary chart analysis only happen on Amavas and Purnima, that is full moon day. So you have to contact me before that day. Anyway, you have to close your eyes and choose three pyramid. Within three options, you have to choose one options. I will give you 10 to 15 seconds to choose one option. This is for no contact situation and will they return to you or not. No contact situation, will they return to you or not. Hopefully you already choose one option. So let's get started. From this pyramid, this is Vastu pyramid. Let's see what is happening in no contact situation. Will they return to you or not? Guys, those who want a personal reading, you can contact me on 9953 214 108, 9953 214 108, or email me at futureluck2218@gmail.com, or IG DM me on Instagram. I am there by name of 888 Future Reading. So what is happening on no contact situation? Let me get some suggestion from angels. Two suggestion from angels, we will check that out later, but for now, no contact situation. What is happening? Okay, so you are in no contact situation, and basically I'm seeing that uh, there are two person for which your person or him or her is going juggling with. So there are, in this situation there are two person, like one sided, like you are in one place and there is another person. So this particular person is juggling between two of you. He or she feels emotional towards both of them. Both are the person, both are really very important for this person, this particular person. But somehow he or she is being ashamed of whatever he or she has done to you. So I am seeing that they want to come back to you, but they are, this is kind of a situational comeback. So what they have done in past, like they went for two ladies, like two ladies or two men, and one sided you were there, you were quite helpful to them, they, you were like motherly fatherly figure to them, you used to love them a lot, true from the soul. But I'm seeing this person like was in like fluctuating and juggling between two person. They already had one person, and that woman or that man was kind of a controlling over them, and they used to feel their shadow side inside them. So this is kind of a dark energy for them. Whenever they look at that person, they feel their dark side of them. They could actually realize that which darkness they have, lots of darkness inside them. And that is why this point of time they don't have that good relationship going on with this third party. So this third party is kind of a dark energy for them. Whenever they look at their eyes, they just get into their shadow side, and they are basically, their emotion is dead. Whenever they look down to them, they feel that this person, within this person they find out all their bad qualities. Probably whenever they are together, this person start abusing them, or something happens that this person's bad side came out, like comes out, whichever the way it is. But this person actually reveal their bad side when they are with this person. So definitely they are not good match, they are like a karmic match. And whether I am seeing, whenever he or she is with you, the positive side of them used to come up, they that used to comes up, and they used to go for some positive things like creative things, or something good like singing, music, dancing, talking good things. So you are kind of a positive light for them, the other person kind of a negative side of them. So they were unable to decide that where to go and how to manage that thing, and eventually they left you because of the third person. But now they are not happy with this third person, they have lots of conflicts going on. And I'm seeing on month of October, November, this person is definitely coming back to you and offering you their love. Particularly this pyramid, those who choose this pyramid, you guys are born, you or your companion born on month of July, month of November, and month of March. Some they are born on month of September and month of January, and and month of May. Some of you guys are born on month of October and month of June. So that's like October, June time is coming quite strong. So after 2020 October, I am going to see that these things will change. Anyhow, you are their true soulmate coming from past life. Eitherwise, you are their twin flame, twin soul, or true soulmate. Definitely yes, but I'm seeing here some issues are going on. What is that this person is being confused between two of the person, whether to go for third party or whether to come back to you. Slowly and gradually this person will come back to you and settle down with you. So whether they will come back to you, they will return to you, yes, they will definitely return to you. No contact situation, they will definitely return to you. They already started missing you because they are in conflicts with other person, other third party. So they are definitely coming back to you and going to give a commitment. So commitment is kind of a love, marriage, commitment. Today I was doing somebody's reading and that person was asking me what kind of commitment. I don't know what is commitment is, what kind of commitment means. There are varieties of commitment. Commitment means obviously for marriage or staying living together or being together forever. I never see somebody is committing for sex or something like that. So that's kind of a very foolish question anyway. So this person is definitely going to come back to this person is definitely going to come back to you, and they are going to give a commitment for sure. So this commitment would be forever. Whatever they decide to live with you, or I mean to say, they decide to be with you, or they decide to marry you, whatever it is, this commitment will be a permanent commitment, and looks like this commitment would be all about true love. So now they are realizing who you are and what was your effect in their life. You guys are starting your first, your last letter of the name could be W, G, S, M, B, R, D, C, E, and A, S, R. Now I'm seeing that what is your suggestion card? Joy through spiritual growth. Be a light to others. Answer that's come through meditation. You must meditate a lot, and whatever the answer you are seeking for, whatever the answer you are looking for, it will come to your soul. Confess everything to your spirit and lighten up your spiritual life, so the result, the answer should come automatically to you. Now I'm seeing prospective cards, Archangel Samuel. There is a better way. Pause for reflection and insight. Dare to be different. You must be different in the way of getting this person back in your life. So how would you get this person back in your life? A meditation life, a healing life. Obviously they are your true soulmate, so you would have some of the conflicts and some of the struggles ongoing in your relationship. So to get this person, you have to meditate a lot and you have to grow spiritually. So try to grow spiritually, and you know what is the way to grow spiritually. That is only way that you must take healing for 21 days, and after that you keep continuing your meditation process. That is only way to get back your true soulmate. So that is being spiritual, be spiritual and lead your life in a spiritual way, and this person is definitely going to come back to you. So here it ends, and they would definitely cut off their karmic person, and they will come back to you because you are their true soulmate. Let's get started with another object, that is evil eye pyramid. Those who choose evil eye pyramid, for them, guys, those who are seeking for personal reading, my number is 9953214108. Email me at futureluck2218@gmail.com, or message me, DM me on 888 future reading, that is on Instagram. Now I just look at your person, no contact situation, no contact situation. I'll definitely take some suggestion cards. Guys, please participate on giveaway to get free reading. That is 2% every week. 2% they get free reading, and I am going to give this free reading for one free reading for my twin soul path, 888 twin soul path channel, which I made for twin soul twin flame. So I will be giving there one free reading in a week and one free reading in on this channel. So every week one person can get a free reading. And let just all you need to do is subscribe my channel, and below to my channel just comment all my videos. Below to all my videos you have to keep commenting, and you have to comment on the post, community page post. Okay, so no contact situation. Will they contact you or communicate with you? Definitely yes, they will communicate with you, and they will offer you love. I know there are third party situation, there is a third party situation, but looks like third party is going off, like leaving them, because this third party kind of, he or she cannot gel with this third party quite well. So I'm seeing their whole world being shattered without you. They are kind of feeling very lonely without you, and they are thinking that why they have told you no. They said no to you for when you asked for commitment, but they are now thinking that why they have asked for why they said no to you, though they have still some feelings on with this third party. But this third party kind of teaching them too much, like controlling on them, and they don't like this kind of a controlling situation. They gave you cold shoulder, but I'm seeing that there were lots of conflicts between you and him or her, and then they left you, and you were actually mentally and physically um, you suffering through for this relationship. I'm seeing nothing is going good with this third party. This third party also, he or she is leaving and coming back to you, and making it over with that third party. You waited for them quite a long time, probably 7 months you were waiting for them, and they left you like that. But I am quite sure that this time it's not going good with this third party. They will definitely communicate with you. They need some another 4 to 5 months to communicate with you, but they will definitely come back to you and communicate with you. Only thing which I am not seeing here is commitment. I really don't think they are willing to give any commitment to you or otherwise third party. No matter it is you or third party, they are not willing to give commitment to anyone. Those who choose Evil Eye Pyramid, I believe you guys are born on month of October and June and month of February. Some guys did birth month would be September, and birth month is September, or birth month is January, and birth month is May. Some of you guys birth month are um, April, month born, or something like August month born, or December month born. So this all about you guys, and I'm seeing that this person is definitely going to come back to you, and come back to you very quickly, like 3 months to 4 months down to the line, probably within 2 months. But this person will not give you any commitment. This is just a polite approach, and this is romantic polite approach, but not for commitment. Time to move quickly, choose logic over emotion, sudden changes. Probably this person is not your twin soul or twin flame. They are probably just a connection of this birth. And that's why Archangel Michael is saying that you must think a lot before you put your emotion first. You must put your logic first. So this person left you for another person, another third party, another man or woman, and since there also they did not find peace, and they were in mental trauma, or I would say that they were shattered mentally. So this person started feeling deeply for you, and you were kind of a shepherd for them. but they were thinking that they are the teacher for you, and when they leave you, you would not be able to resist. But somehow whatever you felt inside your heart, even you were traumatized, even you were not feeling well, even you had that physical and mental trauma, you did not go back to them, you did not beg them. So now they were kind of shattered, that what happened, like I thought this person would come back to me and beg me in front of like beg me for love, but you did not beg for love. So that thing they cannot accept. For now they are coming back to you, but you have to put your logic in front of before your emotion, because looks like you are going through lots of emotional stuffs going on, but you are not thinking logically. A wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your process. Clear up communication problems with others. Okay, so Archangel Michael is also suggesting that you must clear up your communication with this person. You must not lose your communication with this person. This connection probably coming from past life, and you must not lose your connection with this person. So you must communicate with him or her, but you also must think logically. After communicating and after clearing everything out, you must think logically. Whatever they say, depending on that situation and depending on whatever they say, you must take a logical decision. Don't go by emotion. So those who choose this evil eye pyramid, your names kind of starting with letter D or ends with letter D, I, H, P, C, M, and L, and S, G, T. So within this your first or last letter of the name, some of you guys date of birth would be 7, 25 and 16. Some of you guys are 2, 22 and 13. Some of you guys are like 5, 23 and 14 born. This would be your date of birth, like the number. Now some of you guys are 3, 21 and 12. Some of you are like 9, 27 and 18, and some of you guys are like 16. So this would be your companion or partner's date of birth. So I think by now you get to know that what you are supposed to do and what is going to happen, and keep logic in front of don't go by emotion, keep thinking logically. So that's what universe is saying, and there is nothing much to say about this connection. Let's get started with another pile, which is like rose quartz pyramid. Let's see. No contact situation, will they return to you? No contact situation, will they return to you? Guys, please participate on giveaway, because that is really important. You guys can win a free reading. There would be thousands of people who comes back to me saying that, Didi, I don't have money, please do my reading. Sister, please do my reading in free, I'm going through a financial crisis. Some people, they call me at 1 at night, 2 at night. So I'll tell you better than that, you just participate on free reading. Every week I will give on this channel one free reading, and the other channel of mine, 888 twin soul path, I'll give one free reading. For that is only for those who subscribe my channel and then started commenting on my videos and my community page post. So for that, all you need to do is subscribing my channel. So now what is, they are in no contact situation. Okay, so here it goes. This person, will they return to you? Yes, because they are your twin flame, twin soul, and they are definitely going to return to you. There is a third party situation over here, but nobody can't change the truth that they are coming from your past birth, probably a soulmate, probably a soulmate connection. They are deeply involved with you, they feel deeply about you, and I'm hearing seeing marriage, like the strength and the marriage and lots of things going on, and you are kind of their true soulmate. You just support them throughout, support their life throughout, and they feel for you. Whatever happened in past, for or whatever things they have done with third party, that is past now. Even they are in conflicts or separation with third party, and they definitely want to speak with you, but you are the one who is rejecting now, and you don't want to speak with them. So they are here, your throat chakra is being closed, not there. They are kind of their solar plexus chakra is kind of open, and they want to go for more and more. They are wishing you to come back to their life and give them a light. You have some light inside you, but for pain and that grief, whatever you have gone through, the sadness, you just lost your the spirituality and light inside you. So you need to enlighten your inside inner soul or inner strength, so you can come up with a better idea with them, because this person is serious, damn serious about you. And if you talk to this person now, I am quite sure they are going to get you, they are going to marry you, they will offer you marriage. So think about it, guys, think about it twice or thrice. You guys are sun moon rising Cancer, Scorpio and Pisceans. You guys are sun moon rising Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn, and Aries, Leo and Saggy. And I'm seeing that angels are saying stability and efficiency. Take charge of a situation, ambitious plan. You have to actually talk to them, you have to be with them. For fight for justice and equality, ruling made in favor, don't give up. You fought for your justice for a long time, but this is what I believe, that this is kind of a situation where you have to accept this person, because acceptance also would be a justice for them. I'm seeing your name starts, or your companion's name starts with R, L, P, E, C, V, K, J, S, I, N, D. All you need to do is you need to do lots of communication with them and make things work well. And I'm seeing this is a soulmate connection, true soulmate connection. They're coming from your past, they are soulmate, they are twin flame. Some of you guys are twin flame, and I'm seeing this is kind of a very good energy here. Whatever happened, that was a mistake, and they have realized that, and they have been separated from this third party. This third party was kind of a dark world energy for them, the shadow world energy, and they left them, and they are now within the light, and they are expecting to bring light in their life. But I'm seeing you are refusing, you don't want to communicate with them. You probably, they have called you many times and you said no, I'm not willing to talk to you. See, the bottom card is the Lovers. Are definitely a twin flame, twin soul connection, or it is a soulmate, true soulmate connection coming from past birth. I'm seeing marriage here. Uh, I'm hearing month of December, like kind of you are getting married to them after December or something like that. I am seeing something like childhood, like I'm hearing that childhood things, like some of the traumas in childhood, and the same thing happened repeatedly. So you kind of gone mad, like why these things are with me. But I'm telling you, this connection is forever, and you need to give them, communicate with them, and give them a second chance. With this, I'm just ending my reading. Hopefully you liked and enjoy my reading. If you liked and enjoy my reading, please subscribe my channel. I'm waiting for you guys to subscribe my channel, and I just hope that you being throughout the life, you be happy, blessed. Thank you guys, have a blessed day. God bless you.